All right, so today we're going to be doing some sawmill work. Come along for the ride. Once the engine is running, we'll let that warm up and we'll take that opportunity to adjust the logs. We're going to secure it down to the platform and then change out the pegs, adjusting the height of the saw and then making that very first cut. The first cut might not be perfect. This is an eyeballed cut, but that is okay. It gives us a great starting point. As I'm backing up the sawmill, I noticed that the log was a little too long, so I had to cut the end piece off in order to get this first real thick piece of sapwood off. Now that that first piece is nice and cut and straight, we're going to go ahead and unsecure the log and turn it over. My preference is to turn it completely upside down. That way we have a nice flat surface to work with. It makes milling that log a whole lot easier. That first cut is always super awkward. After another quick mill adjustment, I'm going to go ahead and start that first cut. This cut was not deep enough, but that's okay. I'll go in for a round two. Now that we have two clean sides, we're going to go ahead and bump one of the flat edges up against those small pegs where you secure the log and go in for our 3/4 cut. This third cut is actually very easy because now we can clearly see where the sapwood ends and we can make that cut with a little bit more precision. Well, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on whatever else you would like to see on our homestead.